So, ang report namin is all about the Durante-Johnson theory or the behavioral system model. Durante-Johnson born as the 21st August in 1919 in Georgia, USA. She's graduated from School of Nursing in 1938. Master in Public Health from Harvard University, Boston in 1948. Creation of his theory began in 1940 when she began teaching. So, na-recreate yung kanyang theory is during the 1940 he'll become teaching on, doon na siya nagtuturo, isang create na yung nagbigay na yung kanyang theory. And she retired in his career in 1978 and died in 1999. Johnson Behavioral System, or also known as the BSN Nursing, as the published in 1948. His advocate in fostering of the patient-effective behavioral functioning in patient to prevent illness. So, from the word na behavioral system is talk about how the patient interact or how the nursing interact to their patient, or it's all about talking about how their behavior or pag-uugali ng isang tao or isang For example is, parang masungit yung kanyang patient is, hindi as a nursing is, kailangan mo siya yung intindihin and pursue mo siya, i-take care mo siya o ganun. Kahit masungit pa yun is, kailangan mo siya lang siyang alagaan or something ganun. From the word of behavior is, kailangan, as a nursing, kailangan mo talaga intindihin, is your job to take care, diba? Like, diba? The patient is defined as the behavioral system composed of 7 behavioral system. So, may 7 part ito, yung yung the affiliation attachment, dependency functions, and ingress subsystem.
So first, the affiliative or attachment. So the affiliative or attachment is the social inclusion and intimacy in the formation of a strong bond. So ano nga ba ang affiliative or attachment? So ito yung pagbuo ng tiwala sa malapit na ugnayan sa pasyente. Ang nurse ay hindi lamang nagbibigay ng gamot or treatment. Sila din is gumagawa ng paraan para maramdaman ng isang pasyente na hindi sila nag-iisa at may sumusuporta sa kanila. So, the second is the dependency subsystem. Dependency subsystem is promotes helping or nurturing behavior. So, alam niyo ba ang nurturing behavior is, ito yung pag-aalaga at pagtulong. So, yun yung meaning ng nurturing behavior. So, ang dependency subsystem is, ito yung pangangailangan ng tao na umasa sa iba, gaya ng pag-aalaga, pagtulong, at pagsuporta. So, ibig sabihin, kapag may pasyente na may sakit or mahina, so, kailangan mo silang alagaan, suportahan, at tulungan kasi nangangailangan sila. So, the third is the adjunctive subsystem. So, the adjunctive subsystem is the emphasis is on the meaning and the structure of the social events surrounding the occasion when the food is eaten. So, the adjunctive subsystem is tungkol ito sa kalagayan ng pagkain bilang sa social at emotional experience ng isang tao na or pasyente. So, halimbawa, kapag ang pasyente is nakasanayan niya ng kumain kasama ang kanyang pamilya. So, bilang nurse is papayagan ko ang kanyang pamilya na sumabay sa pasyente kasi yun yung nakasanayan niya. Kasi kapag hindi naman sinunod ng isang nurse ang kailangan ng isang pasyente is magkakaroon ng komplikasyon kasi parang mahina siya ng kumain, parang wala siyang gana kasi nakasayangani na kasama ang kanyang pamilya na kumain. The fourth is the eliminative subsystem. So, the eliminative subsystem addresses when, how, and what conditions we eliminate. Sa madaling salita, ang eliminative subsystem is tumutukoy sa proseso ng pag-alis ng dumi sa katawan gaya ng ihi at pagdumi. Tinutukoy nito kung kailan, paano, at sa anong kondisyon tayo nag-eliminate ng waste product. So, halimbawa, isang pasyente na bagong opera, ang nahihirapang umihi. Bilang nurse is, kailangan natin silang i-monitor kung kailan sila huling umihi, kung gaano karami ang ihi niya. At kung may problema, tulad ng urinary retention, maaari ring kailangan siyang turuan tungkol sa tamang pag-inom ng tubig para matulungan sa elimination. So, di ba kapag may pasyente ng may nahihirapan na umihi, so bilang nurse is, i-monitor natin sila kasi kung hindi natin sila i-monitor is posible magkakaroon ng komplikasyon sa pasyente. So, tayo ang mananagot.
The fourth, 7 subsystem is ito na yung sexual subsystem. Has a function of procreation and gratification, including development of gender role identify and gender role behavior. From the word na procreation is ito yung pag-interact ng dalawang tao na male and female and nagre-reproduce ng new life or something from the word na procreation or paggawa ng bata, mga ganon. Sa gender role naman is alam na natin na may dalawang uri ng gender naman. Ito na yung male and female. Alam na natin ang male is the role of male is ito yung pagtatrabaho o bilang isang padre pamilya sa isang bahay. Sa female naman is ito na yung pag-aalaga o naiiwan sa bahay na nag-aalaga sa atin or nagluluto, mga ganon. Ito na yung how we define our gender or gender role. Number 6 naman is ito na yung aggressive subsystem. It's relate to the behavioral concern which the protection of the self-presentation. Johnson view aggressive subsystem as the one of the generate defend response from the individual when life territory is being threatened. From the word na protection and self-presentation. From the word na protection is na-trigger na yung aggressive natin is tuwing na-threaten tayo or something ginasakit or hindi natin gusto yung isang tao or something like na ginahawakan tayo is dapat hindi natin kilala is na-trigger talaga yung defense mechanism natin na pagiging aggressive na nagagalit tayo, mga ganun, di ba? For example naman yan is may gumala o may naghumamak sa'yo tapos di mo siya kilala tapos parang napapangitan ka is di ba magagalit ka naman or something gamit mo as tapos kinuha magagalit ka talaga kasi hindi mo nga siya kilala tapos kinukuha na yung gamit mo, diba? Is parang ito yung normal response sa atin nga parang normal lang to na generate ng defense response para sa ating sarili. Ang achievement naman, provoking behavioral that attempt to control the environment, intellectually, physical, creation, mechanical, and social skill. Achievement are the some areas that Johnson recognized. From the word na achievements, ito yung parang nakukuha natin parang for example nito is yung hierarchy, di ba? Yung pyramid is parang yung nasa top, mid, and bottom. From the word na top is ito yung parang nagko-control sa environment, ito yung or pinakamataas, while daw sa middle naman is ito yung parang something sa ano parang ito yung parang inutusan lang, while naman dito sa bawah is parang ito yung poor. Sa mid naman is ito yung parang medyo closer to the top, parang ganun, parang sabihin na natin sa top is mayaman. Sa middle naman is parang katamtaman na, while naman sa taas is ito yung parang achievement, parang feeling mataas ka na is parang nakokontrol mo na yung environment, parang ganon. Nursing role. Nursing act the external regulator to restore balance during illness or stress. So, alam naman natin is the rule of the nursing is to take care of us, taking care of us, mga pag-aalaga sa atin, tuwing nagkakasakit tayo is napupunta tayo sa hospital, diba, is nursing is lang nagtitake care sa atin. Number 1 is helping patient adapt behavior to social and biological demands. So, dito sa number 1 is helping patient. So, pag-help or pag-take care sa patient na kahit masungit yung patient is kailangan mo siyang i-alagaan at upang magaling siya, mga ganun, di ba? Number 2 is reducing trauma caused by the illness. So, as a nursing, di ba, di lang natin sila tinitreat by the mental or physical, mga ganun. Tinitreat natin din sila from to emotional side. Pag simple asking the patient na, okay ka lang ba sir? Okay na bang pakiramdam mo? Gumagaan niya ba yung sakit mo or something ganyan, is parang sa simpleng tanong mo lang yun is parang ano na yun, nababawasan yung kanilang iniisip or something na problema, at least na, di ba, nababawasan yung kahit simpleng tanong lang is parang nare-reduce yung kanilang trauma or something, advisean mo silang ganun, is nare-reduce yung kanilang trauma or pag-stress sa kanilang sakit. Number 3 is supporting effective using of medical care. Ito na pag-treat ng effective medical care. So, ito na yung gamot niya, binibigay nyo sa patient na pwedeng marireduce yung sakit nila, parang ganun. Yung number 2 is ito yung parang nare-reduce yung kanilang stress or true emotions. So, pag simple asking a question, mga ganun. Ito na yung number 3 naman is ito yung pagpasok ng medical care na nagsisik sa kanilang sakit. For meta diagram concept. Number 1 is person or human being. The biopsychosocial being who being behavioral system with 7 subsystem of behavior. So, ito yung person or human being is ito yung subject na napapaloob sa 7 subsystem of behavior. Alam naman natin yun is the affiliation, dependency, ingestion is the limitative, sexuals, aggressive, and achievement. Person, ito yung pinag-uusapan. Environment. Number 2 is environment. As a dynamic interaction between individuals and their surrounding. From the word na dynamic interaction. Is dito yung sa environment is saan tayo naghahalo-bilo or nakikipag-usap to our surrounding or individual or person talking about a person or one person talking to another person, parang ganun. So, where we interact. Health, efficient and effective functioning system, behavioral system, balance, and stability. Alam naman natin, pag effective yung ating health is wala tayong nararamdaman or something, healthy tayo is which is good para sa atin nga sarili dahil nga wala tayong sakit, wala tayong problema, wala tayo is parang free lang tayo. Number 4 is nursing. Alam naman natin yung nursing is ito yung nag-aalaga sa atin health o nagpropromote ng preventing illness to our surrounding, di ba? Ito yung parang defense mechanism na nagti-trigger sa atin na nagpo-protect na para maiwasan yung ating maiwasan mga iba't ibang sakit na pwedeng makuha natin, di ba? Nursing, ito yung nagti-take care. The nursing process and the Johnson Behavioral System Model. Assessment and planning. The nursing interview the client and the family to assess condition of the subsystem structural components and assist the client behavior for behavioral system balance and stability. From the data collected, the nurses make influence related to the organization. From the word na assessment and planning. The nursing interview. So, alam naman natin pag magpunta ka hospital is the first thing na gagawin ng nursing is interview ka, asking your name or biographic information about yourself like age, name, saan ka nakatira, religion, and etc. And minsan naman is may patient tayo ng mga apa is nag-aas talaga tayo ng information about that patient, like kung sino bang kasama niya, family member is ninaas talaga natin ang kanilang name or mga konting information about that patient to prevent misunderstanding, like di ba hindi pala gusto ng patient na ginahawak-hawakan sa mga ganun, parang something yung iba kasi is iba-iba yung paniniwala natin sa paggagamot or something na hindi gusto ng patient na magpagamot, tapos pinapilit ng isang nursing is para maiwasan yung parang conflict or misunderstanding between patient and nursing. And from kung nakuha mo na yung information is okay na nga, kaya i-assist mo na siya o ano bang sakit na mga ganun, explain mo yung mga detalye na pwede may sakit siya, di ba? May sakit siya is pwede mo i-discuss yung mga gamot niya, gagamitin niya or ibibilhin or ano bang gagawin mo, i-treat mo ba siya or injectan, mga ganun.
So let's proceed on the implementation. So the implementation is the goals for the management of the nursing problems are to restore, maintain, or attain the client's behavioral system, balance, and stability, and to help the client achieve an optimal level of the balance and functioning. So dito sa implementation is action na ng isang nurse ang isang pasyente. So halimbawa kapag ang pasyente is mataas ang kanyang blood pressure. So bilang nurse is actionan mo siya is susukatin mo kanyang blood pressure taga 4 na oras. So at sunod is tuturuan mo siya kung paano mag-diet. So at higit sa lahat is i-monitor mo siya kung paano uminom ng gamot. Next, the evaluation. So the evaluation is the evaluation of behavioral system, balance, and stability is accomplished as the nurse compare the client's behavior after the treatment of indicates a behavioral system, balance, and stability. So dito sa evaluation, so kanina 'di ba sa implementation is ito yung actionan mo. Dito naman sa evaluation is ito yung pag-check kung epektibo ba ang ginawa ng nurse at kung bumuti ba ang kalagayan ng pasyente matapos mo ito i-care or treatment. So, 'di ba sa implementation is in-advisein mo siya. So dito naman sa evaluation is i-check mo kung ginawa niya ba ang in-advise mo at kung epektibo ba ito at kung bumuti ba ang kanyang kalagayan. Let's proceed on the nursing process of the Dorothy Johnson. So first, the assessment and planning, and the second is implementation, and the last is evaluation. So the first is the assessment and planning. Assessment and planning is the behavioral system, the structure, balance, and stability data collected to assess organization, interaction, and integration of subsystem. So dito sa assessment and planning is hanapin mo ang problema at gumawa ng plano. So halimbawa, ang problema is mataas ang kanyang blood pressure. So gagawa ka ng plano kung ano nga ba ang gagawin mo. So the next is implementation. Implementation is the goal to restore, maintain, or attain behavioral system, balance, and stability. So kanina, 'di ba, sa assessment and planning is hanapin mo ang problema at gumawa ng plano. So dito naman sa implementation is gagawin mo na ang plano mo kung ano nga bang plano mo sa isang pasyente. So kunyari ang plano mo is i-monitor mo ang isang pasyente kung paano uminom ng gamot. At i-ano mo siya, i-blood mo siya, i-blood pressure, i-BP, taga 4 na oras. So the last is evaluation. Evaluation is nurse compares behavior after treatment, to indices of system, balance, and stability. So, dito naman sa evaluation. So, halimbawa, di ba, sa una, di ba, assessment, gawa mo ng plano, maghanap mo ng problem. Sa implementation naman is, gagawin mo ang plano. So, dito naman sa evaluation is, i-check mo kung nagawa niya ba ng tama ang iyong in-advise, or nagawa niya ng tama ang kanyang diet, and uminom ng gamot araw-araw. So, una, the assess and planning, hanapin ang problema at gumawa ng plano. Sa evaluation is, gagawin na ang plano, gagawin mo na. So, the last is evaluation is, ito naman is, yung pag-check mo kung epektibo ba ang iyong nagawa sa kanya. That's all. Thank you.